Okay, guys. For number M, quadrilateral ABCD. Again, we don't know what quadrilateral it is. It's just a quadrilateral. They tell us that AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 10 centimeters. Okay. FD is 3 centimeters. BE and FD are equal in length. Okay, very important. And AE and FC are equal in length. Okay, very important. Baie belangrik. Nou sê hulle vir ons dat AE loodreg is op BC, perpendicular, very important. Okay, and CF is perpendicular to AD, loodreg op AD. Okay. Prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So ons moet weer eens bewys dat hy 'n parallelogram is. Okay. So weer eens, daar's baie maniere hoe ons te werk kan gaan. Net om jou weer 'n kickstart te gee. Wat moet ons kan bewys? Ons moet bewys twee pare teenoorstaande sye is parallel en of gelyk, of een paar teenoorstaande sye is parallel en gelyk, of twee pare teenoorstaande hoeke is gelyk. Okay? Two pairs of opposite sides parallel, or two pairs of opposite sides are equal in length, or two pairs of opposite angles are equal, or a very important one pair is equal and parallel, or one pair is equal and parallel, one pair of sides. Okay, so they give you a hint in terms of where to go by giving you the side lengths and how to work from there. So jy weet jy gaan ergens sy lengtes gebruik. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's start with the most info given. Here's a hypotenuse, daar's die skynsy van hierdie driehoekie en hulle gee vir ons BE en FD is al 3 cm. So ons weet hy is 5, hy is 3, so ons kan hom gaan bepaal. Reghoekige driehoek, ons kan Pythagoras gebruik, reg. So BE en FD, BE/FD are equal 3 centimeters. So now we can say AB squared is equal to BE squared plus AE squared. Okay? Or taking it over, already we can say we want AE squared. All right? So we have hypotenuse squared, AB squared, minus that small side squared, BE squared. Okay, and the reason you have to provide is Pythagoras. Okay, so 5 squared minus 3 squared gives us 4 squared. Removing the square both sides, AE is 4 centimeters. So we have 4 centimeters there. All right, definitely a good revision of Pythagoras. You have to be able to use that as well, right? Okay, now they also tell us, what did they tell us about AE and FC? AE and FC are also equal in length, which are also 4 centimeters. Okay, it's given that they are equal, so state that they have an equal length, 4 centimeters. So this one is also 4 centimeters. Now we can, by proving with Pythagoras, whatever this side is, hopefully it's the same as AB. Okay, so let's see. CD squared CD kwadraat is gelijk aan FD kwadraat plus FC kwadraat. Dus 3 kwadraat plus 4 kwadraat geeft mij 5 kwadraat. Wel, dat geeft mij 25, wat 5 kwadraat is. Wortel, CD is 5 centimeter. Oké, wat is een stap kan je mos nou ten die tijd skip. CD kwadraat is gelijk aan 25, wortel, sharp. You can skip that intermediate step by now. So CD is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, so now we already have AB equal to CD, and they are both 5 centimeters. One pair of opposite sides are equal. Okay, is there a way that we can prove that the lines are parallel as well? Okay, let's see. There's no angles given, so we can't really prove specifically that these two skew lines are parallel. But those lines, they gave angles for those lines. Okay, they told us that AE is perpendicular to BC, right? And AD is perpendicular to FC. So these form a rectangle. Okay, so ons moet dit nou gaan bewys dat dit 'n reghoek vorm. Okay, hulle sê BC is 10 cm reg. BE het ons gekry 3 cm. So EC moet dan 7 cm wees. Okay, just by deduction, if BC is 10, we said BE is 3, so the remainder 7 centimeters, right? Okay. And then AE is perpendicular to EC and AF is perpendicular to FC, loodreg of bloodreg. Okay? So dit maak dat AFCE 'n reghoek is. Okay. Want verwisselende hoeke, hy is ook 90, verwisselende hoeke, hy is ook 90. Al vier die hoeke is 90 grade. Right. Okay, so stating that it is a rectangle due to at least one 90-degree angle and opposite sides are equal length. Yes. Okay. Therefore, AFD, that line, is definitely parallel to BEC. Okay. 90 degrees, definitely parallel. Same distance. Okay. Evenwydig, want sien jy, behalwe dat 90 grade, 90 grade. Evenwydig beteken hulle is even ver uit mekaar uit. 4 cm, 4 cm. Moet evenwydig wees. Alright. Okay, and due to that, and due to the fact that it's a rectangle, AF and EC must be the same length. So this must also be 7 centimeters. Alright. 7 centimeters, 3 centimeters, AD is 10 as well, same as BC. So now we have proven that AD and BC are not only parallel, but they are also equal length. AD en BC is nie net evenwydig nie, maar hulle is even lang ook. Okay, AD 10 centimeters. If AD is 10, then AD and BC are both 10 centimeters, and they are parallel, already proven. So ABCD are parallel because at least one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Een paar teenoorstaande sye. Een paar teenoorstaande sye is gelyk en parallel. Okay, I hope you guys understand.